Okay guys, so we found out there's no actual sway bars in the car. So we're going to a back road and we're literally going to be throwing the car left to right, and left to right to see how much body roll there is and how much the suspension sways in regards to being completely stock and no suspension. So we're about to go test it out. We're going to do in-car and out-car footage. John, would you like to take it away?
See.
Whoa! Fuck! Good dog! Whoa! Oh, that was fun. Alright, and we're gonna go check out how much it sways. Look at that body roll. That's hilarious. Oh, God. Alright, so I've now changed into my Diodora clothes. Like pretty sure I got it from Kmart ages ago. Now John's having a go at cracking the wheel nuts at the moment. The car is in the garage. Wow, that looks good. We got the sway bar over here. So we've got a 24mm sway bar here that we're going to plug on. Now I'm assuming this goes onto the subframe brace. And here is the 24mm subframe reinforcement bar. And the LCAs. Alrighty. There we go, got that undone there. That undone there. And we're going to open it up quickly. Hey, look, it comes in a nice box. Come over here, John. Have a look at this. That's nicely boxed.
Ooh.
I'm questioning whether this is my control arms now. Hey, look at that. Hey, hey.
Do they feel quality though? There's
Quality China.
Quality
China.
This is the Aliexpress.
Yeah, so guys, just a little heads up. I bought, see here, this is the Chinese. This is straight imported from China. It's the Aliexpress build. I don't know how it's going to go. It actually still costed a fair bit. It still cost me $200. Now white lines were $400, so this was half the price. I don't know whether it's going to be as good.
We'll have to find out.
So I'm not sure if white line is what's the ASM? Sorry, ASM.
Oh, ASM, yeah. ASM is the other brand. Have one on my VTIR.
This actually feels pretty good. Like, I mean,
I got my chain guide off AliExpress. Yeah, it doesn't feel too bad actually. I thought it was the bubble wrap, but yeah.
Look, oh no. Look at that, guys. That's not bad. Made out of solid metal. I mean, it looks a little bit flimsy, the brace, but
we'll find out at the track.
I guess it'll hold. I mean, I guess we'll have to, yeah, we'll find out at the track and we'll find out down the road too. So we're gonna start jacking this this baby up and
Wait, before you go any further, did it come with longer bolts? Is it that
yes.
need longer bolts?
Yes, have a look at these longer bolts here.
Oh yes, see.
So guys, it came with
Do you have the Allen head for? Oh, you do, got a bunch of them.
So it came with 2 extended bolts. I'm assuming they go right into the subframe. It came with, I don't know what this is, a washer of some sort.
Bracket?
Yeah, a washer or a separator or whatever it is of some sort. Bracket as well. And we're going to also put our sway bars in as well and test whether this reinforcement and the sway bars work together well. I'm assuming it should, right? What do you reckon, John?
Have to bolt on, but I'm hoping so.
Alright, let's jack it up. Hey, guys, that's one LCA out, finally. Oh.
Yay!
Okay, so we're back again. I had to take a break for a day just because we weren't actually able to get the LCAs in, just because the fork from the suspension is too narrow and the bushing from the LCA is too thick. So we're actually spreading it open, you know, making it wider and really sticking it in there and trying to stretch out that suspension fork to get the LCAs in. So we're going to continue on today, and we really want to test the handling ability of this EG. I think it's going to change dramatically from the previous. Alright, sure to get Lord. What I heard was you meant to put in the first bolt and the third bolt, and then you push it up, but I couldn't. Wait, what are you doing? It's the old LCA.
Yeah, I need the ones for my car. You can just stick them normal.
Okay guys, so I guess Chris is going to show us how to spread the LCAs. Oh, that's a really smart idea. Why are you so smart, Chris? Wow, I wish I thought of that. That was just a genius move. Damn, dude. Is the LCA gonna fit? Other way around, mate.
Yeah, I know. That needs more.
Damn, you're so smart. You see, guys, this is why I'm not a tradie, because I'm not innovative enough to think of things like this. I'm innovative enough to run a business, but I'm not innovative enough to do this. Chris, you're just so goddamn smart. You make me jealous. So guys, what he's doing is he's putting the hammer in between the LCA and the suspension fork to stretch it out. Man, he is widening that like crazy. My goodness. Oh, and it fits! What? Why are you so good, Chris? Hey Chris, you got anything to say?
No, I don't actually. Couldn't think of anything.
Okay guys, so fortunately I've had Chris around. We've slightly bent out the shock absorber forks so we can fit in the LCAs. The LCAs are now in, so we can put the rear subframe brace in now as well. And then after we do that, we can put the free sway bar in as well, and we can go test drive it. So that'll be heaps and heaps and heaps of fun. Okay, hello my fellow patrons. This is future me talking right now. I've now removed my beard. So this is future AJ letting you know that we stopped making the video for the rest of the sway bar because we ran out of light. So we zoomed and did everything, and here's the comparison. Alright, and we're gonna go check out how much it sways. Look at that body roll. That's hilarious. Oh god. So as you can see from the comparison, I feel as if the rear end turned in a lot better. Now it did still have the sway, however the reaction time of the vehicle as it turned in is a lot more direct, I guess you could say. It did really hold the rear end together a lot better as it pushed down as I made turns, and it really held it a lot better. But next week's video is going to be a coilover install, so it's going to be really cool. Make sure you guys check out my friend Tristan's YouTube channel as well. He did the install there, but we're also doing a video next week on that as well, or whenever I can be bothered doing that. So thank you guys for watching again, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.